Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Kids Cookbooks is probably one of the most rewarding experiences you can share with your child. These cookbooks are designed to introduce young chefs to the joys of cooking, fostering independence and creativity in the kitchen. With easy-to-follow recipes and colorful illustrations, these books make cooking fun and accessible for children aged 6 to 8, helping them build confidence and a love for food. Number 5. The Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs. Are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure? This cookbook is packed with over 100 delicious recipes. It's designed for young chefs like you. Inside, you'll find easy-to-follow instructions and beautiful photos. The book makes cooking fun and accessible. You'll be whipping up tasty treats in no time. From breakfast to dessert, this cookbook has it all. It features recipes that you'll love to cook and eat. Get ready to impress your family and friends. This book teaches you essential cooking skills. It's a great way to learn about food and develop your culinary talents. The skills will last a lifetime. Grab your apron and get ready to cook. This cookbook is your guide to becoming a confident young chef. It's time to create some amazing dishes. What we like. This cookbook offers a wide variety of recipes. It's perfect for young chefs eager to explore different cuisines and cooking techniques. If you are looking for a cookbook that covers everything from breakfast to dessert, this is the one for you. What people say. Seriously, fantastic book for learning to cook. I'm learning from it too, and the recipes in here rock. Great basics and great variety. My daughter loves this and has made several recipes out of it. A must-have for any child that's getting into cooking. Younger brother loves making recipes from this book. Great find, everything he has made has been relatively simple but delicious. Number 4. America's Test Kitchen Kids, My First Cookbook. This cookbook is all about having fun in the kitchen. It's filled with recipes designed for kids to enjoy with their families. It encourages mixing, rolling, and squishing. Get ready for some hands-on fun. This book embraces the messiness of cooking. It's all about the joy of creating something delicious together. From America's Test Kitchen Kids, this cookbook provides easy-to-follow recipes. It's a great way to introduce young cooks to the world of food. The recipes are designed to be simple and engaging. It's a fantastic way to spend quality time with your children while creating tasty meals. This cookbook makes cooking a shared experience. It's a perfect way to create lasting memories and a love of cooking. What we like. This cookbook prioritizes fun and hands-on activities. It encourages kids to get messy and involved in every step of the cooking process. If you have a child who loves to mix, roll, and squish, this book will be a hit. What people say. Each recipe is rated easy, medium, advanced and lists all equipment needed along with ingredients. On the following page each step is shown with simple explanations under great pictures. The recipes are easy for her to read, which make it easy for her to make them. The ingredients are simple and common items you have around the home. Number 3. The Complete Baking Book for Young Chefs. Are you ready to become a baking superstar? This book is packed with over 100 delicious recipes. You'll learn how to bake sweet treats and savory dishes. From cookies to bread, this book has it all. It includes a wide variety of recipes for every occasion. It's perfect for sharing with friends and family. This book is all about having fun in the kitchen. You can create amazing food that everyone will love. Get ready to bake, share, and enjoy. This book is filled with recipes you'll want to make again and again. It's designed for young chefs like you. You'll discover the joy of baking. Grab your apron and get ready to create culinary masterpieces. This book is your guide to baking success. It's time to start your baking adventure. What we like. This cookbook specializes in baking, offering a range of sweet and savory recipes. It's great for kids who love the science and creativity of baking. If you like the smell of freshly baked goods, you should consider this one. What people say. Pretty pictures, easy instructions for young teens, or older, to cook up delicious food. Great recipes and beginner book for kids who are curious about baking. Each recipe is simple and easy to follow and is laying a foundation of good, solid basics. Number 2. Food Network Magazine Kids Cookbook, 150+ recipes. This cookbook is packed with over 150 recipes designed specifically for young chefs. It's a fun and engaging way for kids to learn about cooking and create delicious meals. The recipes are easy to follow and cover a wide variety of dishes. It's perfect for kids of all skill levels, from beginners to those with some cooking experience. The book is filled with colorful photos and fun illustrations to keep kids entertained. It makes cooking an enjoyable experience for the whole family. This cookbook is part of the popular Food Network magazine's Kids Cookbook series. It's a trusted resource for parents and children alike. With this book, kids can learn essential cooking skills and create their own culinary masterpieces. It's a great way to encourage creativity and healthy eating habits. What we like. This cookbook features recipes designed specifically for kids. It's visually appealing and easy to follow. If you are looking for a cookbook with fun and accessible recipes, this is the one for you. What people say. The cookbook is designed with simple, easy-to-follow recipes perfect for kids aged 6 to 8. The book includes clear, step-by-step instructions with pictures, making it easy for children to understand and follow along. The recipes are kid-friendly and cover a variety of dishes, from snacks to main courses, providing a good introduction to cooking. Number 1. Good Housekeeping Kids Cook, a Kids Cookbook. This cookbook is packed with over 100 super easy and delicious recipes. It's designed to get kids excited about cooking and eating healthy meals. They will love it. This cookbook is perfect for young chefs. It's filled with fun and simple recipes that kids can easily follow. It's a great way to introduce them to the joys of cooking. This is the first book in the Good Housekeeping Kids Cookbook series. It's a great starting point for any young cook. It's a must-have for any family with kids. With over 100 recipes, there's something for every taste and skill level. From simple snacks to full meals, it has it all. It's a great resource for parents and kids alike. The recipes are designed to be super easy to follow. The instructions are clear and concise, making it easy for kids to cook with confidence. It's a fun and educational experience. What we like. This cookbook focuses on super easy and delicious recipes. It's designed to make cooking simple and enjoyable for kids. If you are looking for a cookbook with simple recipes, this is the one for you. What people say. Kids Cook is clear and not at all overwhelming, with appealing photos and tips for customizing recipes. The recipes are all so good that I've borrowed it myself on occasion. Easy to follow and good pictures to make kids pick this up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.